All right, guys, welcome back to the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. Chef Joe here with Chefs Kim and Eli, and today we're making an incredible school favorite, Teriyaki Chicken Tacos. We're using Gold Creek breaded chicken chunks, Kikkoman low-sodium teriyaki glaze, and a quick pickled slaw on a soft, whole-grain Don Pancho tortilla.
This is a great fusion version for any Taco Tuesday school menu. Chefs, are y'all ready to cook?
Let's go.
And that's our teriyaki chicken tacos. Sweet, savory, and totally school friendly. They're fast to prepare, full of flavor, and give students something new without overwhelming your staff. Each serving provides 2 ounces meat alternate, 3-ounce grain, and a 1/4 cup other vegetables. You'll find this recipe in Healthy Pro System, recipe number 1792960. Thanks for watching from the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. We'll see you next time.